local newspaper, in a moment of clarity, which was surprising, exposed a fundamental flaw in the plan's original greenhouse gas accounting system.
Red light, let it go! Run up, baby! Go get him! Go, baby! Run that red light! You got it! Go, baby! Good job! Oh, you go, pickup truck, you go! You go and take that green straight only light and turn left on the red. Good job. Alright. You think that car was about to run over that guy?
Oh, you want
But I was thinking might as well go on base or go somewhere. What? Don't wave me on when that guy's coming. Good golly. If I'd go when that guy was coming, we're going to have a serious problem.
Conservative parents, or parents in general, that don't believe that children under 18 should be getting their sex changed. They're willing to lose it all for the woke leftist movement. The Marine Corps.
Good job, buddy.
They're willing to lose it all.
I got somebody changing their mind there? I guess he decided he was on the wrong road.
Hey, Mr. Free Speech, why'd you block me?
What's this guy with?
I don't know if that necessarily applies in this situation, but
He doesn't know what lane he's in.
I think government has a tough enough time governing free speech. I wish a private business owner all the luck in the world to try to figure that out.
That guy doesn't know what lane he's in.
And when you don't have a Supreme Court to help you. Accidentally posted pictures of the Surface Pro 8. Windows 11, finally Thunderbolt on the thing, thank goodness. That was really interesting. Replaceable hard drive. And most
plastic car cleaner.
He's making another. What? He made another U-turn.
Yeah.
Good job there, buddy. You need anything from David's Change or commissary?
She was also joined by a group of House Democrats who took a train to Kyiv as the city does remain a target for Russian forces.
What's that guy doing?
Meetings with Ukrainian officials to discuss both military and humanitarian aid as the war continues.
Did he want to go straight?
President Biden
No, I think he's having a hard time.
Having a hard time turning his car? That's not good.
Right at the fork.
It's telling me to stay right. No, that's
Look, below.
where the hell does that street go? It doesn't go
Merchant Bay
anywhere.
Boulevard, then turn right onto L Street.
That street didn't go. If anybody followed that area, they're going to have a crash.
Good God, these people
Okay, buddy, what are you doing?
stuck every single house.
Oh, it's not like a green light. It's like red light, red light, red light, red light, off, and then you go. It's just, Formula One. It's European. Different. But Crosby goes, hey, it's like down in Portugal, and I love the way he does it.
Do they do it at nighttime?
No.
No.
They do it usually in the afternoon. Sometimes at night. In the Middle East, they do it in Boston.
I hope this guy turns right at the
It's
corner.
so hot during the day that they have
Otherwise,
to.
they're going to wonder what the heck he's
But in
doing.
Monaco, it was 3 p.m. So it started raining.
Rain delay.
Rain delay. And it's so funny because we're used to rain delay. That happens all the time in baseball.
Yeah.
The announcers make no big deal about it. But these poor Crosby, I'm so sorry. I know you tuned in. You took time out of your day to watch this race. And we're sitting here and it's raining. It was like,
That would be me. Over apologetic.
yeah, he was over apologetic. It's pretty funny. Who should I start
You
with?
just mentioned Portugal, so let's go to John in Villarreal de Santo Antonio.
I want to go to Villarreal de Santo Antonio. Hi, John. Thank you very much. Yeah. Hi, John. Hey, Ariel. How's it going? It's good. Are you an expat or are you traveling?
I'm an expat.
Are you sorry? What? Why'd you do all that to get in the right lane then, if you're not going to turn? Whoa, baby. Yeah, watch out for that guy, too. Where in the hell are you trying to go, white car? There's no other lane over there. You about caused 2 different wrecks just right that quick. Good golly.
Online at westcoastmenshealth.com.
What the hell are you
cards
doing,
welcome
buddy?
and financing available. Finding
What the hell are you doing, buddy?
This contemporary new bed with upholstered headboard is only $4.95.
What the hell?
For this original solid bed.
What the hell? Oh no, now he's going after that guy.
So she stayed in his apartment, never left the place, and he covered for her for a few weeks until he drove her back.
Good job, motorcycle. Got a new motorcycle lane there.
and the bridge itself is backed up to full span, heading westbound over toward the island. Northbound 5, about 20 minutes from the 54.
It was just half span 10 minutes ago.
Moved along very nicely. We're down to 18 minutes from the travel time from the 54 up to that 5805. Merge on the northbound 805. I'm Jaron Edwards. Kogo's next real-time traffic update is coming up at 6:10.